How to use Qwarta Home Credit to pay bills. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Qwarta Home Credit to pay bills. Download and install the Home Credit app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and register for an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in. On the app's main screen, look for the Qwarta section. If you haven't activated Qwarta yet, follow the prompts to activate it. This usually involves confirming your details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. In the Qwarta section, select the Pay Bills option. Choose the category of the bill you want to pay, such as utilities, internet, or credit cards. Fill in the required information for the biller, such as the account number and the amount to be paid. Double-check the details to ensure accuracy. Review the payment summary and confirm the transaction. After confirmation, you will receive a payment receipt or confirmation message. You can view your payment history in the app to ensure the transaction was successful. Keep digital copies of your payment receipts for future reference. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.